wouldn't even keep you as a slave in my empire!
I need my dating, you nagging dating dictator!
Oh my god, I don't care!
Yeah, dude, that was really funny. I'm thinking about this one. I'm actually gonna. I don't know. Anyway, all right, guys. We gotta kill these bots.
Dirty.
Y'all ready?
I don't care.
Tell me, dirty slut.
You don't care?
I don't care.
Man, how about y'all kill?
Oh, help me!
Look at this.
I'm all black, baby. What the?
Where?
Oh my goodness, a bot!
Ow!
You just shoot at me?
No, I didn't even hit you, man. I mean, Flo, you just hit me! Flo, you just got hurt by fall damage because you dropped.
Oh yeah. Guess what?
Nah, you shot at me, bruh. You shot at me.
No, but did you? Okay, I thought you were about to call down for reinforcements, but no, you just take it from a court.
Liberated penetrator.
Did I miss? Oh my god, who's that? Oh my god.
Aiden!
Watch
out!
I couldn't see!
I died.
I couldn't see.
Before that lands.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. Okay, what did I throw down?
What did you throw down?
Oh, the mine.
Sigma! Why'd you throw napalm? Napalm. He's fucking.
Oh no!
He's strong.
Right in front of him? Where?
Napalm's gonna kill me.
Run! Oh my
Napalm's
god!
gonna kill me.
Napalm!
Oh my god! It's everywhere.
Napalm!
Guys.
Oh my goodness! Hey guys, can I get some help?
Oh no!
Hey.
Lift the rifle.
Can we reach all?
Yeah, I want my recoil with the rifle.
Hey Aiden. I got a surprise for
I know
you.
the perfect way how we're gonna reach.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Alright, I think we're getting shot.
What the fuck? Oh, it's
Oh my god!
What's that? We thought of this. Another one. Slow.
Bang! Get out of my way, you idiots!
Aiden, watch out for that turret.
I know, I see it.
I'm gonna drop the
I
hell
see
bomb.
it.
Oh god!
Oh
Come on,
god!
if you could call me in, I could drop my portable hell bomb and run in.
Oh no, skip on move. I have one bullet left. Okay, well, guess that's just gonna be a thing.
Yep, here it goes, baby. Napalm.
Oh
Can
shit.
you reinforce me, please?
Heal! I have no fuck. Oh
You're
my
gonna
god.
wait.
It needs to wait. Oh, hello.
5G.
Yeah,
Oh, he's dead. Yeah, you're dead.
Ah!
Say you're dead.
Fall over and die.
I didn't even like my
I got five
Where's the
hit.
girl?
Oh.
I'll put the girl
Let me
here
do
and
this.
just
This is
blow
my
this
job.
up. Ow!
I got you. Ah!
I got you.
Shoot you.
Oh, this is my hell bomb. I'm gonna sacrifice my life.
Alright, it's a heads up.
Mario
Just
Jr.
press down on the D-pad 2 times to activate it yourself. Go in there
How's
first.
it now? Run! Get away! What are you doing? Wait!
Oh my
God.
goodness, bro.
Oh my god!
I should not have given that to you.
Oh my god! What the hell,
We're
bro?
not gonna get this mission done. We got 4 reinforcements left.
Sigmas.
Oh, don't run.
Sigmas.
I
Ah! Oh my
think
god!
Indy did
Oh
it.
no! Yup. Ah!
Hit it. You.
Oh god! Oh!
I'm dying. You killed me.
You killed me!
Killed me.
I murked him.
You.
Get away! Ah!
Oh my goodness, bro.
Yeah, Chad, I think we might need to restart this video.
Or I can just, I can just like heavy edit and just cut it to the next one.
Just make this a
You
funny
can make
video. And
this-
the other one will be
Yeah,
serious.
yeah, I can just have like funny moments.
Or you can have this video at the beginning, and then like.
Have this
cut to the
as
real
a small
thing.
beginning. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dead. I'm dead. Fuck these guys. You're going down with me! Ah!
They're not even close to you.
I know they are! Ah! I'm
And you're alive. You're
died.
alive. You did a toy cuss. Oh wait, never mind. You died.
I didn't have a stem.
All right, this is our last chance, Slow. One of our teammates should be
Last chance of life.
Of course.
Kill me. Kill me.
Ow.
I think it's
Die,
like.
die!
Oh, that's what hit you.
Oh my god.
What hit me?
There's like a turret. You know that thing.
Oh, I thought my thing killed it. I could have sworn my thing killed it. Oh.
The car. My car's okay.
I'm not okay.
Yeah, he's not okay. Way to die.
All right, Slow. I'm dumbing it down for you.
Woo! Hellbomb attack.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get the car set up for you so you can just drive straight into it. Okay?
Holy shit.
Slow.
Yeah,
How
you need to
about-
go into that.
Yeah.
There's a tank! Oh no.
I'm not gonna live after I'm done with it.
It's right there. What do you mean? It's only sitting right there.
Alright, Slow. You ready?
Oh
You
my
ready,
God.
Slow? You ready?
Yep. Out hellbomb.
All right, go.
Me out.
Touching it.
Me out.
Let me in there. Let me in there. Leave me alone.
Go, Slow, go!
Ah! My car. Oh
I just
god.
see you.
Oh God. Did
Well,
he make it?
that did not go as planned.
No.
Did he die?
Oh, the Strider. The
What?
resupply landed on the Strider.
Did he die? He's not dead.
No, he's not dead. The thing doesn't quit.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Oh my God.
We are not equipped for this.
No, it won't die. Oh my God, it's after me. I got a 5G. I got a 5G.
no.
Oh, fuck you, man. I threw it too far. No, I didn't. Please drop down. Please drop down.
Oh no!
Come on,
Hey,
you
no!
I ate
No!
Ah!
Come on, run!
No!
What do you mean to put me out of my
On
hand?
top
There's
of
another
it.
one!
Oh shoot!
Oh what?
Hey, look, and then the tank.
Oh my God.
These
Dang.
things don't give.
Are you sure it's not Are you sure it's not extreme? What the hell? How is this
maybe
suicide?
full of
There's
turf.
more in
I
suicide
bet
than
this is
extreme.
suicide mission, and their
Where's my
and
ammo?
this
Where's
is
my
their
ammo?
lowest. This is the
Where's
lowest
my ammo?
resistance. It's the lowest resistance rate as well.
Oh, where am I? Where am I?
Dang.
Oh my goodness, but is that the escape pod? No, wait, I don't know, but
Where am I? Ammo? Ah! Where the ammo? Where the ammo? Where the ammo?
I can't.
Oh shoot! Okay, got ammo. Got ammo. No, go,
I'm just running.
Boom, baby!
There's bots everywhere.
Die!
Oh God.
Oh god.
Oh my God. Oh.
This is
Orbital,
havoc.
orbital,
Hell bomb.
orbital. Should I save the orbital or no? I'm not.
My orbital doesn't take it till a minute, yeah. Excuse me. This thing's a bit left. You thing don't die! This is why I carry the scythe. Recoilless.
Okay, finally, motor's gone. Oh my God.
Go, go, go.
Oh my Lord, bro.
I
It is
died
right.
I
right in
need
front
a
of a grave.
stem.
It is
Oh,
still.
come here.
look out for the hell bomb!
Oh no.
Oh God!
Where? What?
Right there,
Wait,
behind
where?
you, Slow.
Oh no! Watch over the hell bomb. No, he's telling me where it is.
Count, bro.
Aiden, behind you.
Where? Oh God.
Ow.
Died. Okay, put that.
Slow, did you blow up the ship?
Yeah.
It fell on me.
Whoops.
My signal.
My bad.
It fell on me.
Oh
God.
shoot.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Let's see what Aiden's up to.
Cooked.
Oh
Oh
god.
god. Oh god. Ah! Die, die. Die, 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 die. Oh my god, I'm cooked. Someone help. Someone help. Someone help. Where the fuck are you? Where the fuck are you? Where the fuck are you?
Whoops, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Hopefully Gabriel wasn't watching my screen.
I was watching Aiden, but you look like you were aiming directly at him.
Oh, I see him.
Oh my god. Can you shoot everything? Bro, where's my airburst? Okay, I'm gonna crash. Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh my god! He's not dead.
Oh god.
You walk right in front of that.
Shoot him!
Run.
Where are they? I don't even see them.
I know what to do.
Oh my god, I'm getting sniped.
Aiden,
Gabriel,
stay
then.
with me. Let him come.
Oh no.
We're gonna ore
That's a
farm,
tank.
Aiden.
We got an ore
We're gonna
farm.
ore farm, Aiden.
We got an ore farm. I can't ore farm when there's like everything shooting at me, dude.
Run!
Oh yeah, I'm gonna ore farm real quick. Oh, it's napalm, never mind.
Ah!
No, no, no.
Oh yeah,
no.
baby.
Ow,
Oh yeah, baby.
ow,
That
ow.
tank's
Why is
destroyed.
it
That tank's
rising away?
destroyed.
Oh my god! Okay, we need
Yeah,
supplies. We
I'm
need supplies.
destroyed. Oh shoot! Die. Woo!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh
Let's
my
go,
god! Oh my god!
baby. Murder.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Pelvis. It's a pelvis.
What are you saying? Oh god! Oh god! They're everywhere! They're everywhere! Die! No!
Oh god. Ammo! Yes, 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 yes.
I need heals. I need heals.
Run!
Right there.
Oh hell no! Oh god!
Ah! Yikes.
Hold on. I got my airbrush rifle. Let me get this. Let me get this.
I missed.
The two-shot. The two-shot.
Ah!
Oh,
Oh,
it's
there goes
just me
Flo.
now. Just me now. Just me now. Oh god! Oh god! Die, you son of a bitch! I missed! Oh god, he's so many! Oh god, he's so many! Hold on.
Why are you reloading right there?
I don't know! Oh god! Oh god! I'll cover you with the exosuit. Don't run me over, please.
Where am I going? Oh god!
Go toward the, I don't know, where you see a bunch of enemies.
I don't know where they are. Tell me where they are, Aiden.
Go that way! Go, there's a strider, there's a strider, there's a strider.
Strider!
Right there, right
Activate
there.
the hell bomb.
It's over!
Come on, get it! 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 Come on, come on, come on! You got that! Get it! Get it! Oh my god! Come on,
Let
come
me
on!
out.
Bring the boom! Bring the boom!
Oh, ah!
Bring the boom! Did you activate it?
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead! What's happening?
Did you not activate it?
Yeah, he did. It went off. You gotta give it a couple seconds.
Ah!
Oh, you got it! You got it!
24 kills,
You got
baby.
it!
No? Okay, I get it. Is that a hell bomb?
That's not.
Oh man. Pump! 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 I love the action of Like a Dragon, guys.
Oh my god.
Where is C2? I'm on C2, am I not?
Hey, Flo, be careful. Come on, run. Flo, run. Run.
Oh my god! Oh, what the? Help! No!
No, Flo! What did you drop?
What? That was me!
That was me.
I see a tank. I see a tank.
Oh shit.
Come and get this, baby! Oh my god! No, way too close. Aiden, run!
You shoot me!
Holy crap!
Run!
Aiden, run! Oh my goodness!
Yeah, but what do you want my airburst rifle?
Ah!
But these guys have a lot of missiles. I'm dying. I'm just dying now.
Oh god! Oh
Jump in the
shoot!
tank. Oh, it's dead. Never mind.
Ah!
Sigma. Die! Die!
Man, the better shoot! Oh my god! I'm dead! Ah!
Oh god, he's
Oh
gonna
my
throw everything at him.
shoot!
Aiden, look out!
Oh no!
Oh god! Run!
Bring in the boom! Oh shit!
Ah! That was a
Oh,
little too close.
shoot.
That was a little too close.
Oh no! Hold on!
Ah! They're
Get
gonna
away
boom.
from the
They're gonna
phone.
follow us. They're gonna follow us.
Oh,
They're gonna follow
oh
us.
no, the name
What's your name
bomb! Right there, slow. I just got another portable hell bomb.
Woo! Yeah, chap. I got
Let me
this one
use it this
first.
time.
Oh god.
Come on, Sigma.
Woo!
Let me recall this
We
rifle.
got no samples.
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness, how
I
are
got
you
you,
not
Aiden.
dead?
I got you,
Why don't you
Aiden.
recall this rifle back here? Alright,
Yeah,
bro.
give me it back.
With the hell
And my
bomb?
ammo. You get no. Oh, I'm about to say. There's no ammo in it. I was about to flip in.
Oh yeah?
Hey!
That's crazy.
Oh yeah? Hey, Gabriel, come on man, let's get this. At me?
Oh, what's up with that mine?
Where?
Crazy, man.
Oops, my fault.
Crazy, man. You have fun.
Do it for you.
Not yet. Not yet. Why are you activating it? Oh god, he activated it. Give him a run. Give him a run. Give him a run. Give him a run. What am I? I'm not even. This is the waste. What am I killing?
Get out of here.
Yikes.
Yikes, indeed.
I want you to be.
I wanna be part
Slow,
of
so slow. Do not get on the machine gun, because if I crash, you will go flying.
I'll be fine.
It's gonna fly out, man.
Ah!
As you were saying.
Ah! That was your fault. You don't know how to drive.
Alright, this
Oh my
thing hard to drive, man. Oh shoot, I cannot see.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, my bad. Give me a minute.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Here, slow, get in.
Oh my god! You almost ran me over.
Am I alive?
You'll be
Oh my
fine.
god, I'm alive. Where am I at?
Bye, Aiden.
Oh, it's the bad place.
Sorry, I had to leave
Oh
you.
god, why'd you from?
Can't see anything.
Oh
Can't
god,
see
why'd you
anything.
from?
You'll be fine.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, hold on. Why did you go slow? I thought we were gonna drive all the way up here and then dropping down.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I can walk. Get in the cardio, you know?
Alright then.
You only live
Oh my
once.
god, what's shooting at me? Get away from me.
Oh!
Hey, look, we're here.
Get away! Get away! Get away from me!
Ah!
But,
Oh shoot! Oh no! There's a car. Oh, no. Your car has that placement.
Alright, man.
Oh yeah. Bing chillin'. Bing chillin'.
Alright, let's see here.
Coming.
Prospecting drill.
Yep, this is where we just drill and then we just get our stuff. While we fight off waves of enemies.
Great waves.
That's so Sigma.
So Aiden, if
Well-
you could Aiden. I think I needed that.
But what?
Yeah, me too.
If you could come over here.
Engaging terminal.
You know, pick up the pace. You know, cardio and all that.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Just drive.
Oh no.
Bubba. Won't let me.
Oh no. Oh no.
1, 2, 3.
Dang it!
Get away from me!
But I think we just tied.
I got the terminal.
Yeah.
I'm fighting for my lives while y'all playing fucking rock, paper, scissors.
Yep, we are.
Reloading.
Sigma.
Oh God!
Ow. That was me. How am I dying?
Ow.
Can't move.
You're in gas. Oh my god.
Don't come back. What?
I can't see!
Oh god.
No.
Cancel that.
What?
Throwing grenade.
I almost blicked you up, Aiden. It's a
Hey,
tank.
I don't even look like a robot, bro. Where?
Backpack inbound.
Nah, you like ran into my vision.
Like I said, I don't look like a robot, man. I'm not a robot. Oh god! How did that not kill me?
Oh my goodness.
What injury?
Ow. Ow, ow.
Destroy him. What? Oh. Can't get away from me, bub.
Good job, Aiden. Good stuff.
Yes! Digma!
Engaging terminal.
I'm feeling good about myself. Oh shoot!
What's that?
Did you fall down?
Oh my goodness.
Oh god!
It'll be fine.
Yeah, especially with the hell bomb on my back.
What?
Ah!
Come on, Gabriel. Let's go. Come on, Gabriel. Let's wait for Jaquavion.
No, if we don't die.
Oh god.
Tank!
Heavy.
What's that?
50 meters.
500 kg.
What is Sherry doing?
What are you talking about? That thing's still
I'm
alive.
on a game.
50 meters.
I know, Gabriel. Oh my god, I'm dead.
Oh, it aimed straight up and coming back down. It walked right in front of me. No, no! Yes!
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, I'm dying.
Run!
I'm sorry. I've been diving over and over again.
After you, I don't know your kicks. Oh shit. Oh.
My god, guys, you gotta wait 16 seconds.
Wait, let's wait for Jaquavion. Let's wait for
Only the Pelican's gonna come in and help.
Oh my god, that's too close to me.
Never mind. That was really close, Aiden.
Oh.
Alright.
Jaquavion's down.
Ugh, I'm alive!
Aiden. I'll be good.
Oh god. Oh god.
Holy
Oh,
crap!
I'm thinking?
Oh god!
Holy crap!
Come on, you thinking what I'm thinking? Why's that walking?
Double KD! Oh, heck
I'm getting the heck out of here.
Damn it! He just shot the fucking. Yeah. Shooting in the thing, bro.
Yeah! Woo! Let's go, baby.
You did it.
GGW win.
DGW, we win.
Yeah. It's okay, I like the very beginning there.
Brr.
What?
I think I'll level up from this.
Probably.
Hopefully.
I got 600 XP. Because we didn't lose so much.
Couldn't, bro. There was so much.
What's all flipping funny, but
Nothing.
Shut up.
better be nothing, bro.
Shut up!
hell you
Jet.
talking to, boy?
Yeah, we
That's
did it.
it.
Yeah!
Quiet, Jet. Ugh.